Hard-boiled eggs.
What's up, guys? My name is Craig,
My name is Susan.
and this is Hard-Boiled Interviews.
Interviews.
And that means that we're going to do an interview while Susan is eating a hard-boiled egg.
While I am eating a hard-boiled egg.
Hard-boiled!
Fresh hard-boiled egg.
Made today.
Made today.
From eggs, from chickens,
Of America.
from America.
From America.
And if you don't know where America is, look on a map.
We will not provide a map.
But Google it.
Google.
Today, our topic of discussion is bird scooters.
Woo, woo, woo.
This worldwide phenomenon has taken the world by phenomenon.
Preach it, brother.
These scooters are changing the world.
Mm,
Easy transportation for 15 cents a minute.
15 cents a
Susan,
minute.
what do you think about 15 cents a minute?
I think 15 cents a minute is it's 15 cents a minute.
That's so affordable.
It says it for itself.
15 cents a minute
Wow.
is the equality of 30 cents for 2 minutes.
Wow.
That makes so much
That
sense.
is really good.
Don't cry, Susan. It's okay, Susan.
Alright, thank you.
So for me, I only have like $3 in my bank account, so I can't afford it. What about you, Susan?
I'm definitely in the cents right now. So, neither one of us can afford it currently, but
We gonna talk about it,
we gotta talk about it.
and it's gonna be a legit.
It's gonna be legit.
All right, so let's start this interview off. Susan, you have the egg.
I had the egg.
I made this egg, and if it does not taste good, we are blaming chickens of America.
Chicken, specifically of America.
All right, let's get this interview started.
Alright.
All right, Susan. So tell me about the first time you rode a bird scooter.
The first time I rode a bird scooter was on Tuesday. It was Tuesday.
It was Tuesday,
It was Tuesday.
October
24th,
24th, 2018,
2018 was the first time
in America.
In America,
Duh.
I rode a bird scooter around the parking lot of Memphis, Soma.
Shout out.
Shout out to Memphis, Soma.
Memphis, Soma.
There's a giant pothole in their
Parkway.
parkway.
Yes. America. Susan, how's the egg?
I'll be honest with you, Craig.
It's not the best egg.
I'm a little nervous. Every bite's a risky one.
All right.
Next question.
What was your initial reaction to seeing the bird scooter, and like how hesitant were you to get on the bird scooter?
Wow, Craig, that's a good question. I'll be honest with you. 2 summers ago, I had an accident. Sorry.
It's all right. Take your time. If you want to go to the bathroom, this would be a good time because you don't cry for about 3 minutes.
So I was in Ireland for my mom's wedding, and the day before, Erica said,
Erica's her mom.
Erica's my mom. She said, let's go ride a scooter. And I said, sure. And I didn't realize it was off-road in the hills.
It was a Segway.
It was a Segway. I'm sorry. Even worse.
Boo, Segway.
So I'm riding the scooter. And I'm going for it. I'm going at least like a little faster than slow.
That's really fast.
And I got these 12-year-olds trying to pass me, and I get nervous, so I try to pull to the side. I went too slow.
Uh-oh.
And so the scooter flipped over my leg, and it fell, and my leg bruised, and my grandma thought I was going to get a blood clot, but she didn't tell me until after we landed back in the States, and I started to
States,
cry.
that's America.
As in the United States of America.
America.
Marika. And then,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm scared of moving objects.
So why did you get on the scooter then?
I thought today may be the day to try something new.
Were you're like, Susan, you got this.
I said, Susan, everyone else is doing it. Maybe you should not be weird and give it an attempt.
So when you first got on the scooter, did it go?
I moved my legs. I scooted.
She scooted, but did the scooter scoot?
Tis the question. No. I went scoot, 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 and she went skirt. I was like, that is not scooting. I got nervous, and I screamed a little bit.
But Craig had to show her how it's done.
Craig literally had to show me how it was done. I didn't know.
I did scoot, scoot, vroom.
Yeah, he didn't even do 3 scoots. He just went scoot, scoot.
I just went scoot, scoot. That's all there is to it.
Even though it says scoot, scoot, scoot.
I'm good enough. We're just go scoot, scoot.
And he scooted.
And I scooted.
Mine did not go very fast. Maybe about 2 miles an hour.
That's faster than slow.
It's a little bit faster than slow.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us on the first ever episode of Hard Boiled Interviews. My name is Craig.
And my name is Susan.
Peace, fam.
Peace out. Eat an egg.
Eat an egg.
Hard-boiled egg.